Hello, and welcome to Adservio. Today, I will present the Headmaster profile, and for you to get familiar with our features, I will get you through the main modules within our platform. As a school manager, you will have an overview over all school activities, analyze data, and make informed decisions. In the Students module, you can find information about students' profiles, their personal information, grades, attendance, progress, or other activities. To efficiently coordinate your team, you have the Teachers module, which displays all your educational team members. Here you have a dashboard of their activity, per team or per teacher. Generate all your reports automatically from statistics. You can analyze data and build reports based on students' profiles, grades, attendance, final year results, or demographic data. You can easily communicate with the teachers, students, and parents using the Messages module. Now you have just one platform for all your communication, and all data is kept safe. You can also send messages to custom groups, and you will be notified of each new message by app notification and email. You have a module dedicated to your files and media to be uploaded and then shared with your team and your students. With Adservio, you have the option to send surveys to specific classes, students, parents, or teachers, and with one click, you have the option to analyze the results in an interactive manner. For extra activities in your school, you can create groups for school events, teacher councils, parent meetings, learning projects, trips, volunteering projects, and so on. These groups can be set to public or private, with live chat, video conferences, file sharing, or calendar. Adservio offers you an entire library full of textbooks, and besides that, you have access to EduMarket, a module dedicated to educational resources and personal development.